Hello and welcome to this session on Java beginner tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to compile and run our Java program from a command line outside of Eclipse. So let us begin, and step 1 will be we have to go to our command line in case of Windows, and if you are on Mac you will go to your terminal, and then you have to go to the location of Java file. So we have seen in our last session we had created this hello world program inside Eclipse, and now we will try to run the same hello world program outside Eclipse from command line. So first let me go to the location of this particular Java file, and this is located here inside tools, Java, learn Java. This is the project and this is the package, right? This is my package. Okay, so you have to remember that you have to go to a folder or directory which is above your package. So in my case this will be src, right? So what I will do is I will go to this src package on my command line. So I will copy the location, I will go to my terminal, and I will change the directory to my src directory. Okay, now you have to compile your Java file. So step 2 is compile Java program, and the command for that will be javac and name of Java file. So this is our package, and let me just delete the dot class file, and this is our Java hello world.java program. So let us see, I will compile this now. And you will see as soon as I will compile you will get a dot class file created here. So let me say javac, and then you will give the package name and the name of your Java file and enter, and you will see this dot class is created, so that means compilation is successful. And now we have to run our program. Okay, so to execute Java program you will say Java and name of Java file, and this time we will not give the extension. So this time you have to give the name without extension. Okay, so we will say Java package name and without extension your file name, and you will run it, and you can see this is running and printing hello world. Okay, so this is how you can compile and run your Java program outside Eclipse, and it is not necessary that your uh, project should be have been created inside Eclipse. You can go to any of your text editor, create a Java program, save it as .java extension, and directly run it through command line. Let us see that. Let me go to some directory outside. Let me just go to create a new folder here, Java program. Okay, and here I will create a text file. Okay, let me just save this same program here. Okay, hello world, and I will say hello world again, and I will print this. Okay, let me save this, and I will give the name extension as .java. Okay, so this is saved. Okay, I hope this you can see this. Okay, so I have created a simple class and a program inside a text file onto my desktop. Okay, what I will do is I'll just put this file, this is my file, I will copy this and paste it here. Okay, and now I have to run this. Okay, so again I will go to this location of this file. Okay, and now I will say javac hello world.java, and did you see there is an exception? It is saying hello world again is public, should be declared in a file named hello world again.java. So that means the class name should be equal to the file name. Our class name was hello world again, but our file name was something different. So I will change the name, and now I will run the command again. Okay, now I'll run it again. Hello world again.java. So this time it got compiled, and you can see the .class file or the bytecode getting generated. And now I will say java hello world again without extension, and it is printing it. Okay, so this is how we can compile and run a Java program outside Eclipse. Keep learning Java. Hope you like it. Thank you.